Today is our mom and dad's birthday almost. So now we're gonna start the decoration by blowing this balloon. Oh no, we have a problem. We cannot blow our balloons. I have an idea. Wait. You guys ready for this? Oh yeah. Guys, look at this. Is it epic? It's like bubbling. Problem solved. Now do it again. I'm gonna go get it. Why? This is super smelly. Hey guys, we're gonna show you how to make that science experiment. You need baking soda and whatever thing you want, but you also need this. It's important. You need a funnel, and you need an empty bottle, and you need a tube. Let's get started. And a balloon. And you need vinegar. Now let's get started. Let's fill your bottle half in vinegar. You can use white vinegar, use apple cider vinegar, wine vinegar. Oh, it's dripping from us, but it doesn't matter. We still can pour out more. Start by doing 2 full spoons of baking soda. 1 inside the balloon. Here's the balloon at the bottom. And now that's 2. Now you should see that everything is in the balloon. Make sure to simply go like this and hold the bottle while it feels up. And now pull it up. Does that look like an egg? Problem solved. Problem solved. We're gonna let this so we can feel and a big It's definitely getting bigger. It's easier to do it in this bottle. So let's get started. I got you! Whee! Bananas. No wait, this can fly away like a jelly bean. Whoa. Whoa. It fell easily. Why don't you try this at home? Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.